Hey YouTube, this is Awesome Airsoft 77, and I got something that is amazing. I am Jinx. Knock on wood, you owe me a Coke. Anyway, I was like so excited about it. It's really, really fun. Well, not fun, but it's so cool. It's a Zippo. Yes, I finally have a Zippo. It's a United States Army Zippo. It's pretty sweet. Open it. I'm one of the very few lefties who use Zippos.
Yeah, most people are righties.
Check this out. I'm going to do a trick for you called the hot hand. I'm going to try that again.
The metal gets really, really hot.
Sorry, I'm new at this. I've only done it a few times. Actually, I've only done hot hand once. What? Oh, put it out. I mean, I can get it, but it's so annoying.
Cookie.
Shall we show
That
them?
was hot hands. Is that a circle? Is that mine? Yep. Cool. All right. Now I'm gonna do one that
Everybody knows.
yeah, called the Twilight Zone. Steal the flame. Give it back. Twilight Zone. Hold on, I can't give it away to all you YouTube. Okay. And this one is called the pant light. What's it called?
Pant light. Shall I do it?
Don't light your pants on fire.
Yeah, you're better at it.
It's zoomed.
Danny's better at the pants light.
It's zoomed.
Pants are gonna catch on fire.
Very good.
Wasn't there one? It was like something gone wrong.
This
And
is.
this whole hand.
We're not doing the flesh torch.
No, flesh torch gone wrong. That was so funny.
The bar slide.
Bar light.
It's the bar slide. Shut up! Just stop talking. Hey. Stupid super improved Zippo. Gypsy.
Cliffo, get away.
Stupid gypsy magic.
Cliffo, don't get in the flame.
This one is harder than it looks. Guys. Phoebe, shut up!
Sorry.
If you're gonna keep talking, just get out.
Yeah, the trick is getting the Zippo to stay
Alright,
up.
I have one called Light Speed. This isn't too hot for it. It's kind of hard for me because my hand keeps...
Did you do the one where you hit your hand and it flips over?
There we go. It's called Light Speed, and that's about all that I can think of right now. Yes, this is my United States Army Zippo. Retail, it's $27. I got it on eBay for $17. Yeah, I'm very happy with it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Once again, here's Twilight Zone, just because it's my favorite. My finger only caught on fire a little bit. It is okay.
It's Awesome Airsoft 77.
Bye.